Hello, hola. Ms. Vaz here with your new video for the assignment for today. So let's go to it. All right, today we have day 5 in our class, and we are going to remember to report attendance. That's the first thing we do, remember. So just right now, pause your video, click here, and fill your form for your attendance. Thank you. All right. So we're going to talk about countries. Do you know any countries where people speak Spanish as their first language? Oh, come on, think about it. Well, let me tell you, there are 21 different countries where people speak Spanish as their first language. And we're going to be working on those countries. So our first project, Project 1, is about the Spanish-speaking countries. So first thing that you're going to do, you're going to contact me so you can get your assigned country. So contact me means you're going to type an email and you're going to say, hey, Ms. Bass, what is my assigned country? And I give you an assigned country. And you're going to work the project on that assigned country. So you randomly are going to get a video, a country, and you're going to do your project on that country. All right, that's the first thing. Then you're going to read the instructions. Here's the instructions. And then you're going to create a Google Slide presentation with 5 pages. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm creating mine, because I usually just show you the creation, but I'm going to create it, and then at the end of the plan, I'm going to copy and paste the URL so you can see the example. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to the Google Drive, and we're going to My Drive. So how did you do that, Ms. Bass? Let's try doing it just from the top. Okay, so right here, and then you're going to your drive, and then, oh, I'm getting dizzy, going from one side to another. No, just kidding. Okay, so here you're going to click New, and then you're going to click on Google Slides. You are going to pick a theme that you like. You can pick a theme, or you can just leave like a plain Google Slide like this one. This one is pretty, plain, doesn't have all that stuff. But you have different choices here that you can pick one. Hey, how do you like this one with purple? I like that one. All right, let's do that. So since I am from Colombia, I'm going to choose Colombia. That means none of you is going to do Colombia. So I'm going to put, let's go back to the directions, because it says specifically that first page, you're going to write your name, the name of the country, and the capital. And I'll take points off if the instructions are not followed, so I don't want to forget what you say. So I'm writing the name of the country, the capital, sorry, wrong one, and then my name. Oh, wait. Okay, so we got that. And now we need a new slide, because we're going to the slide 2. New slide. So in this new slide, it says that we need to, page 2, look for the Hispanic flag in the internet, copy and paste the picture of the flag. Don't forget to give credit to the site where you got it from. We're going here. We're going to put Colombian flag. No, okay, Colombia flag. I'm going to find an image. And then I'm going to, like this one. And I'm going to copy the image, go back here, and I'm going to put here Colombian flag, and I'm going to paste the Colombian flag. It's too little. I want to make it bigger. Okay, that's what do I do it to the side, and let's do it a little bit. There we go. Okay, so I got my Colombian flag. So it says page 3. Page 3 says find out facts about your country, read the information about it, things you find interesting about it. So I'm going to type here facts about Colombia. And what are 3 interesting facts about Colombia? What is Colombia my family? So I can find, you see, 11 interesting facts about Colombia. So I'm going to find that and I'll be back with you. All right, I found my 10 facts and I put them in my 3rd page on this slideshow. So I got the 10 facts and then I put something that I find interesting about Colombia. Now the page 4 says find the national symbols. For example, the national bird, national flower, national tree, national animal, I don't know, pick 2. And then what I do is I go again to Mr. Google, who knows a lot of things. And I'm going to put there Colombia national symbols. Now I actually can go national tree. Let's see what Colombian national tree is. Oh, it's telling me that is a palm. So I'm gonna put Colombian national tree. I need to find out how you call it though. So it's called a palm tree. But we're gonna, well, I'm gonna have to copy that because, and I'm gonna make my new slide. Remember, you make your new slide by going here and clicking new slide. And here's national symbol. And I'm going to paste the picture. Oh, I haven't got the picture yet. So I'm gonna go to the images and paste a picture. I like this one. No, I like this one. And copy image, go there, and I'm gonna put the image right here. Okay. Okay, I can move right here. And then here, I'm gonna put another symbol. Let's see the animal. Colombian national bird. What is it? Oh, it's the condor. El Condor de los Andes. So I'm gonna take this one. I like that one. Copy the image, go back there, paste the image, right here, and then I'm gonna have to put the name right here. Condor. All right, I got that one. And I'm going for my last slide. Says that I need 5 pages. So the last slide says important places. 5 important cities and touristic places in your assigned country. Find images of the place and paste them in your presentation with their names. So now I'm going to pause again and find those places. So when I found my places, I found Medellin and I actually found it with the name so I don't have to type it. I'm going to put it, let's put it over here. I'll try images. This is Bogota, the capital. I probably need to write the name right here. And then this place is called El Eje Cafetero. That's another one. This is called Santa Marta. And this is Cartagena. So I'm going to type Cartagena right here. I just wanted to show you that you can do both ways. You can type it yourself. You can do what I did and just find it with the words. So I don't have to type them. Because it's a little difficult to accommodate probably. And right here, I'm going to put the name for this one. This one is, oh, that's Cartagena. This one goes here. And this is Cartagena. And I have it. So I got my 5 slides. When I show it, it shows like this. Okay, and I said not to forget to give the credit. So when you have images, you just copy the URL and you copy the URL, Colombian flag, and I pick, where is the one I pick? I pick this one. So you just give the credit to the site. And put it there, somewhere right there. Just find a place where to put it. Maybe I just need to do this and put it I had to make it smaller, but it's good to give the source. Okay. Oops. Okay, we want to just give the source that you get the image so we don't break the law. All right, so once you have it right there, don't forget to share this. I gave a video, I put a video on the frequent asked question, but I'm just going to show you here. So this is called project 1. Project 1. And you're going to click save, and then when you come here, you're going to change the link to Union County Public Schools so I can see it. So you see, it's right here. Anyone in the group can, with the link, can view. So you click done, and you copy the URL. Copy the URL. What's going on? Why doesn't let me copy? All right, I had to pause for a second because I had to open the door, but I think we were right here on I copy the URL. And then I go to the assignment, and for now we're going to see the student view so you see how to do it. And right here, here's this, oh, I haven't published assignment. Anyways, hold on, pause again, sorry. All right, we're back. Sorry about that. Okay, and so you click right here, and you click here, and the URL that you copy from this, you're gonna paste it right here, and then you click submit, and we're done. If you have any questions, let me know, and be connected so I can help you. See you next time. Bye.